Yeah, so definitely waking up here in the morning on a, I don't even know what day it is anymore. Saturday, living in the Caribbean, getting ready to go see another doctor. Because yesterday we went to go to a private clinic and they wanted a lot of money before they even gave birth to this little baby right here. Look at this. Holy cow. About to blow up. Look at the size of that thing. Wow. So yeah, they saw me, right? I'm in Mexico. So as soon as they see a gringo, they call us gringos, they think they think you're a bank. They think you have a lot of money. So they want to charge you a lot of money. They think, oh, this is I can get a lot of money from this guy, right? Hey, amigo, gringo, right? He's the sugar daddy of a little young girl. And they wanted money, cash, up front before they would even do surgeries. So she left. Good girl. Good girl, right? She took off. She said, I'm out of here. So our friend Sonia is going to take her to go see another doctor today. I think she's going to negotiate a deal because she talks better Spanish than me. My Spanish is like 50-50. It's like, un poquito, which is small Spanish. So her friend is older. She's got 3 daughters. Her name is Sonia. She's going to go negotiate a deal today, right now, Saturday morning. So that's what's going on here in Mexico, in the Caribbean. Live in Caribbean, and having babies. Stay tuned.
छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन है छाया आसमां देखो झूमता गगन ज़मीं आसमां पूछ गया झूमता गगन आसमां मेरे झूम ले जहां ये कैसा नशा प्यार का समा रही समा झूमे आसमां होश तो खोले प्यार तू ले ले संग मेरे झूम जा कैसा नशा होश है कहाँ होश तो खोले प्यार तू ले ले संग मेरे झूम जा
Yeah, so that's basically what it's all about. And this is my hair and morning right here. But it's all about one thing, guys. It's all about one thing. And I don't care if anybody tells you anything different. They are lying to you. Everything is about this. Everything is about money. Money, money, money. This is 200 pesos, which is about $40. It's about $42 US, 200 pesos. But this is what life is all about. It's about making money and making money and making money and then giving your money to other people so you can have things, so you can eat food, so you can drink water, so you can rent your apartment or pay your mortgage on your house. Or it's all about money, man. It's all about money. Even in the Caribbean, living in the Caribbean, you're having a baby, you go to the hospital, you go to a doctor, you go to a clinic. They want money. They want cash. They don't want a credit card. They don't want health insurance because when you pay with health insurance, the health insurance company takes 30 to 45 days, sometimes 60 days to pay. But the health insurance business is one of the biggest multi-billion dollar businesses in the world. But right now, they don't want that. They don't want to wait for their money. They want cash. And if you have a lot of cash and you show them you have a lot of cash, they want more cash. And they say, no, this is what we want because we know you have it. We know you have it. So you got to be careful about who you talk to and who you show that you have money. You want to drive around in a Ferrari and a Lamborghini? you're out of your mind. You're crazy. Everybody knows you have money. They think you have money, then they're going to charge you more money. You drive around with nothing. You walk, or you use a scooter, or like the famous YouTuber Casey, right, on his electric skateboard. He doesn't use anything that uses gas. I love that guy. But this is what it's all about, making money. So how about I show you my system that I've been using during the coronavirus while I'm stuck at home working, selling the #1 product in the world, which is education, and billion-dollar companies are doing the same thing. So I'm just following a billion-dollar company like, ooh, who is it? Amazon. Wow, why don't you just copy their system and make a lot of this, and then you can give people a lot of this to get whatever you want because you have a lot of this. Want some of this? we're gonna eat some more. I need more coffee, more caffeine. Plus, normally after I drink a big cup of mucho grande, big cup of coffee like this, I take a poop. But I already took a poop. I just took a poop without the coffee. Oh, that's too much sugar. Way too much. That's okay. Don't worry. And then we put some your hot water there, and we got a nice cup of coffee. Look at that. Coffee. Caribbean coffee. So at any time during watching this video here, don't forget, click on that, smack that the like button, punch it, and then click the notification bell. I'm trying to find my coffee here. Gotta have a cup of coffee in the morning. Click the notification bell so you're notified every time we upload a new video. I'm going to be doing a new video every single day, helping people all over the world change their life, making money on the internet. Okay? That's what I do. It's called Done For You Services. We do it for you. We set you up. You start making money literally within 3 days. Within about 36 hours, you start making money, and we guarantee it. Okay? And actually, in the beginning, I show you how to do everything at no charge. I show you how to do everything. Set it up yourself. But, like I said, click on the like button, and I want you to click the notification bell, and then subscribe. Click subscribe and get all my videos, and then I'll also send you some free stuff. Oh, that's a good cup of Mexican coffee. Not Starbucks, even though I'm using the Starbucks coffee mug. This is Mexican coffee from Mexico. Why? I'm living Caribbean. So here, check it out. I want to show you something outside, right outside on the patio. We have this huge, it looks like a bat, like a vampire bat. Here, let me show you. Come here. I'm going to show you a video picture. I hope I don't get bit, and I hope I don't die. So just wish me luck here. But I want to show you how big this thing is. We're in the Caribbean, and you got crocodiles, monkeys, lizards. We got butterfly. We got cats, dogs, rats, parrots, parakeets flying all over the skies here. But look at the size of this thing, hanging out right there. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? See it? There he is. Look at the size of that thing. A big butterfly. I don't know if it's a butterfly or a moth, but it's big. So I'm here by the ocean here. They call it the Caribbean Sea. Look at it. They're cleaning up the beach. Look. Cleaning up the beach, making it nice and neat, beautiful. Green, 7 different shades of green and blue ocean. Look at that. Amazing. So punch that like button if you're on YouTube right now. Punch that like button for the Google algorithm. I want you to click on the notification bell to get all my videos, and then I want you to subscribe to my channel, and then make a comment below and say, James, I need help doing this. I need more credit card money. I need more cash. I need a job. I need to make money. I will show you what to do. I currently run 3 different online businesses that bring me in 3 different types of income, and I will show you how to set it up in 1 hour, 1 phone call, live. That's what I do. So send me your name, your mobile number, where you're from, and that's it. I'll get on the phone with you live, or one of my coaches will. I've got 17, 18 coaches that will teach you how to set up an online business. Now, if you're already selling a product, how about I show you how to sell in 26 English-speaking countries, just like one of the richest companies in the world called Amazon, and I'll show you how to do that. That's what I'm doing. How do you think I live in paradise?